In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Convert to Source feature in NotebookLM to turn your saved notes into active sources. Let's get started. First, I'll select my Mastering Automation notebook to open up the workspace. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Studio panel where all my saved notes are kept. I want to take a specific note and elevate it to a source so it can be used for citations and future research. I'll hover over the Mastering Scheduled Automations note and click the three-dot menu icon. From the list of options, I'll select Convert All to Source. Looking at the Sources panel on the left, you can see the system is immediately generating a new source document. Once it is finished loading, I can click on the new entry to expand the content and see exactly what information is now part of the notebook's official library. It looks like everything transferred perfectly, and it even keeps the date for easy tracking. I'll take a moment to scroll through the source to verify the details. By doing this, I'm ensuring that my own insights and summaries are treated as primary data that the AI can cite in our conversation. I can go back to my chat or look at other notes in my studio. This feature is perfect for building a custom, high-quality research base that includes your own human observations. Now that my note has been successfully converted, I can continue my work with even more precision and better grounded answers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.